Sharma hosted a party for the very first time and he called overall 6 people. So 4 people are the hard drink drinkers and 2 people are the soft drink drinkers. And the second time he hosted one more party, and where exactly he called 8 people who are drinking the hard drink and 2 people who are drinking the soft. And the third time he hosted again one more party, and now he called 12 people who are the hard drinkers and 2 people who drink the soft drinkers. If you notice the pattern, there is a linear growth from each and every step. So the fourth time when he is calling, we are expecting that it's going to be 18 people. Why? So every time he is hosting a party, 4 hard drink people are increasing. The first time 4, second time 8, and the third time we got 12, but the soft drink peoples are remaining same. So it is having a linear pattern. So to make a statement about the fourth time, we are able to take the help of a linear regression, and the equation is